Come run with me, let's hit the open road. If you could use some exciting views, there's a run on any day. Come on, run with me, let's run away. Come on, run with me, let's float down to Howe Bay. On Chapman's Peak there's a little relief, and it's hot that time of day. Come on, run with me, let's head up down the road.
Morning guys, Sunday the 21st of December. And we are at the False Bay Marine Reserve, the Zickerflare area. Hi. And we are going to be taking part in the nature run, 10 kilometers. Beautiful morning, about half an hour to the start, going to collect my number. Slight breeze, but nothing compared to what we've had in the last few days. Okay, I believe registration's down here, so that's where we're heading. I will chat to you guys just now. So, plans for today. Firstly, this is my last race of 2025. I'm hoping to do a parkrun next week, but official road race is today. And say road race, it's off-road today, but a reasonably flat surface. Last year I did 58 minutes and 6 seconds, so that's the target to better that time. But generally taking it easy. I will be doing a POV video as well as a normal video. So I will be bringing you all the sights of this run. As I say, beautiful morning. They're busy dredging here. Why they're dredging in the middle of the breeding season, I've no idea. But anyhow, I think it's also creating some interesting smells. Right, I'm going to go and find the start and we'll chat to you guys there. Hi guys, so we've just heard the fantastic news that the race start has been delayed by 30 minutes. No reason given. So, I don't know, all I can say is this run is going to get very hot. It's already hot, and if we're going to delay by 30 minutes, it's going to get very hot. So, we're doing a leisurely walk to try and while away the time. Last year this race was delayed as well, and that was because the medical crew hadn't arrived, so I don't know if it's the same thing this year. As I say, no reason given, just told that it's been delayed by 30 minutes. They've also changed this route. We're starting in a different place, and I believe we're finishing in a different place. So anyhow, hopefully we'll find that out just now when we do eventually start. Anyhow, chat to you guys just now. Okay, it would appear that the course is still to be marked out. Yeah, what can you say? Not good points to the organisers of this event. I must say registration was a little bit chaotic as well. Hopefully the run when we do get away will be fine. But what little breeze we had here has totally died down. This area is normally incredibly windy. Just over in that direction is the ocean, the False Bay. You won't be able to see on this camera, but in this flay I can see 2 massive pelicans. So we're still best part of 20 minutes to wait. Getting hotter and hotter all the time. Cape Peninsula, that is Muizenberg over in the distance. You can't see it, it's behind those hills. And right over there is Simonstown and eventually Cape Point. And that's the back of Table Mountain over there. Devil's Peak. Okay, enough waffling. We'll chat to you guys when we do eventually line up to start.
Ready for action. We've just received the green light from our safety officer. Right, ladies and gents, that is the start of the race this morning. Thank you for your patience. Half an hour delay. We do apologize. Safety first for the athletes. We've made sure the course is safe for you guys to run. This is the Central Athletics 10-kilometer nature run. Remember, only the start of the 10K race. Our 5K conrun starts at 7:15 right here in the beautiful Fox Bay Nature Reserve. This race is brought to you by Central Athletics.
Okay guys, we are away.
Hello kids, good morning. Cara,
There's a sign here saying 1 kilometer, but that's way off. Yeah, it's like 300 meters short. Okay, according to my watch, first kilometer at 5:52. So it looks like all the kilometer boards are out. Also 300 meters short. Yep. So we're still keeping around that 5.5 minute pace. Obviously the first K time included the time it took at the start. So second K, according to my watch, at 5:25. So I'd say this is a totally different course to last year. So obviously we are in a nature reserve, lots of bird life around, and because of that we only have one water point today at the 5 kilometer mark. So we're coming up to the 3 kilometer board, and we are keeping the same sort of trend. That one's actually 350 meters short of the mark. So it may be that we're doing this course in reverse to last year, and if that is the case, that means we're going to get that tough section towards the end. But I suppose that's a good enough reason to walk. Okay, 3K is on my watch at 5:18, so that picked up quite a bit. So I'm also thinking a 58.06 may be a bit ambitious, taking into account that I only managed a 58 on the super flat road course at Guguletu on Tuesday. But we'll soon find out, won't we? Thanks. So as predicted, it's getting pretty warm. So this water point is not where they said it was going to be. We've only done 3.5 Ks.
Lovely. Nice going, guys. Nice going.
Is this the only water point?
Hey?
Is this the only water point?
Further down.
There is another one. Okay. Because it told us one at 5 Ks. So.
Yeah. You're always leaving.
So now we get onto the more dune-like surface. So the 4th K was a 5:48. So just try and spot the firmer sections to run. This is where time goes out the window, if you're worried about time. If you get some really sandy sections, try and run flat-footed. So they soft sand really sap your energy. This is a run you don't worry about time. I haven't done cross country in years. I can't say I miss it. Okay, kilometre number 5 was a 5:43 and a halfway split 28:20. So a little bit ahead of target. But I'm sure I'm going to lose that time in this second half. So this soft surface definitely takes it out on your legs. So there's a whole lot of seagulls ahead, and we're actually heading towards their breeding grounds. So Cape Town had a major drought a few years ago, and apparently we're heading towards it again. We're a winter rainfall region, so don't get much rain in the summer. And the idea is the dams get filled up during the winter. So you can see these flays here are pretty dry, because normally these are full. But that could also be due to the work that's been taken out here. Again, I'm going to stress that it's being done during breeding season. So you see on this side, you won't really be able to see, but there's a lot of seagulls over there. Okay, enough of a nature break. And not the nature you think, actual nature. Again, you're able to see, but there was quite a lot of chicks down there. So there's the 5k mark, which is now 600 meters long. So at this stage, guys, I think my year of racing is definitely catching up with me. So I'm going to enjoy this run. I'm not worried about the time. I'm going to take walk breaks when I need to, just to get through. It's also getting incredibly hot. At 5:54 for kilometre number 6. A nice place to walk. A sandy hill. And this looks like it could be quite a grind. Looks like our second water point's approaching, which is good because I need it. Again, this 6k is nearly 700 meters long.
You're gonna make it to the end. You drink 2 liters.
The most important thing is to finish.
Yes.
Yes. Almost there.
Thank you, ladies.
My pleasure.
We're in the middle of a nature reserve, and yet people choose to just throw their cups down on the ground. I can see a big walk coming up ahead, so I better run to that section. So we are definitely doing this course in reverse. I think I prefer the other way, where you got all these hills at the start. Did I say it was getting hot? Can I change that to, it's now getting very hot. So we were told just before the start that the actual reason for the delay was that on inspection of the route, part of it had found to have collapsed, and that they were busy filling sandbags to make it safe. So I can only imagine it's going to be on this section, if indeed that happened, but we'll soon find out. Okay, I missed the 7k mark, but we've gone through 7k's. No doubt a very slow one. Walk time again.
So a nice section of downhill here. Have to watch your footing. I have a habit of falling, and I can't afford to fall with a camera on my cap. So 7k again is 650 meters long. I can only hope that it rights itself when we get to the 10k. So before the end of the year, I will do a recap of the year and plans going forwards. And hopefully those plans involves getting back onto a training program of some sort. Because my lack of training of these last couple of months is definitely telling. Especially when the race is hilly or a bit harder on the foot as is today. And the heat, of course. Did I mention the flies? There's quite a lot of flies buzzing around me. Maybe they know something I don't know. Approximately 1.8 k's to go, or 2.5, depending on whose measurements we're going by. So quite a few 6-year-olds have overtaken me, so hopefully I can be in the top 10, definitely the top 20 surely. So way in the distance I can see the finish.
Simon, I must take a stick off.
Yes, you must. I can put it in at this spot. Not that I need tiring out, but let's throw in a bit of grass. It is now, guys, very, very hot. Almost getting to the stinking hot stage. So it looks like we're keeping up the story with the markers. 8.6.
Thank you.
Did I tell you there was a lot of flies buzzing around me? Wear some swallows and swifts when you need them to come and scoop up these flies. This is hard going, guys. For the officially unfit. So according to me, 1.3 to go. Okay, flies, buzz off. You're not impressing anyone.
It's discouraging.
So this is definitely doing the course in reverse. And I think tackling this on much fresher legs would have been preferential. So still no sign of these alleged sandbags. Hopefully I'm going to see them so I can take away my accusating tone.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Can't even outrun these flies. So according to me, approaching the 9k, and this is going to be a horrendously slow K. Probably close to 10 minutes. Oh, 7:36. I think my top 10 60 place is under serious threat. And I think we're now looking at top 20. Okay, so according to my watch, we're in the last K. Who knows the actual race? A better surface to run on, although lots of rocks and stones to trip on. And when you're tired, that's often when you do it. So I'm trying to lift my feet high. 9.2 according to me. I must say the finish looks quite a way away. This was registration here. And now I can see a couple of swallows buzzing around. Obviously heard my request. So I'm expecting my GPS to be pretty accurate around here. No trees, open spaces. Because I have a feeling we're going to do 10.6 Ks today. I can see the 9k mark coming up. So the 9 kilometers, 9.65. See those palm trees over there? That's where I'm told the finish is. So last year, we actually started this race just before the start of this section. Which will be interesting to see if that measures close to 10 on my watch. But I'm afraid no sandbags, guys. So the story of filling sandbags seems to be a little bit fictional. Okay, so I just heard my nano die. Luckily I've got backup. So yes, I was saying the announcer just said the course is actually 10.5. So you think this is a finish, but it's actually not. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go!
Yay! So we're back where we started, but not quite the finish yet. It is now officially stinking hot. Thank you. And we've got approximately 200 meters to go. Let's see if we can run this last section before we start the long walk back for Coke and water.
Handing out that race results cards to the athletes. Beautiful. Also a former member of Central, Khadija? Also a former Central member, Yeah. And Simon Speck is also here today. Well done, Simon. You've done it again. Capturing each and every moment on camera.
Thank you.
It's time to grab your race results card and hand it in on the board at the Coca-Cola truck. In the far distance, our fun runners approaching the
Okay, 1 hour.
Chantal September is here. Well done,
And
Chantal.
7
Henry
minutes.
Adams also finishing his fun run. And Maxwell Hotlegs Gotloza of Mandela
Good news is,
Park finishing
that's
the
the
10K
quickest
distance. Well done, St.
10.5K I've done this year.
Yet another race. Well done, Max.
Won't say anything about it being the only one.
And Stephen LaGrange has done it.
So that was hard going, I'm not
Well
going to
done,
deny it.
indeed. Olympic Spartan Harrier.
Combination
also here
of
today.
not being as fit as I should be,
Good effort by the
the
athletes.
surfaces, and the heat. The heat got me big time. And the flies, of course, remember the flies. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys just. Yep. Busy on Boxing Day.
Considering going to those two loops.
Carmen, you're walking at exactly the same spot I was walking.
Yes, I'm finished.
Come, Nicole.
Hey, Simon.
You ladies on the comeback trail managed the 5K today. How was it, ladies?
Oh, you're doing that? Oh, shoot.
Oh, it was fabulous, thank you.
Enjoyed it thoroughly. A 5K marathon's always good. Thanks.
You're going to get into a lot of trouble saying a 5K marathon.
Marathon in the bag. I got my medal. And I'm
Yes.
proud of myself.
We're very happy to do 5K marathons.
Okay, well, if you're doing 5K marathons, then one day you have to get back to the actual marathon.
One, maybe, sometimes.
I'll give you 6 months, more than
Oh,
enough.
God. 6 months.
We'll try. Thank
Okay.
you. Bon appetit. Goodbye.
Good. Okay, have a great Christmas, ladies.
Thanks you too, Simon.
New
Thank
Year.
you. Thanks. You too.
Okay, cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Hala. Morning, morning. It's 10 and a half.
Yeah.
10 and a half? Yep.
Absolutely.
Athletics 10.5 kilometer nature run. Run on a stinking hot Sunday morning, 30 minutes delay, and ended up being 10.5 Ks and not the advertised 10. But all in all, enjoyable. I did suffer. It is my last official race of the year. Doesn't mean we stop running. I have to film somebody here because they're waving like mad, but the camera's not on them. You have to do all that again.
Yes. Oh my God, this is a. It's the best race. It's beautiful race. It is beautiful.
It's
It's
nice
a
and
nature
warm.
reserve. This is not actually. You're not right. This is not the road running.
No,
It's
for
more
sure.
trail. It's like a cross country, but it's tough. It's
Very tough.
You know
The
what?
heat
I
didn't
did
help.
a few weeks ago. I did Robben Island, so I was thinking Robben Island is tough, but when I come here, it's something else.
Yeah, I
Really
know.
something else. But it's beautiful. Cape Town is always the best city in the world.
It is indeed, yes. I'm not sure whether I'd prefer it the other way round, where you get the sand, the grass, and
Yes.
the dunes at the beginning.
But look, this year I think we did it in reverse, so I think it's much more better than
you
last
do?
year.
Oh, okay. I think I prefer the other.
I think it looks much more better than last year. But it is challenging.
Yeah,
One thing
I
I
know.
can tell you, it's challenging. So this is the only way to end the year. So we
Exactly.
ending the year with a nice trail run, so
Exactly.
it's good.
Yeah. Cool. Nice chatting to you.
Likewise, from all the way from Cavaniers. First, I want to say thank you to you. Thanks to all the running members from all over the community clubs, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year
Yep.
if you don't see me.
Likewise to you, and thank you as well.
You're welcome.
Okay.
sir.
Cheers.
Thank
Eh?
you.
Hi guys.
And
How did you enjoy that?
Oh, this was fantastic.
Yeah, toughy ever,
Absolutely.
and a little bit warm.
It's very hot. But it was a good one though.
It is. Yeah. I'm not sure about the extra 5Ks. It kind of plays with the mind a little bit.
The loop. Going straight down.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a great break.
You too.
And we'll see you all on the road next year.
Enjoy it.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, cheers for now. We seem to be making a habit of going to Vida's. This one is literally around the corner from where I live, so I'm not too far from where we ran. So we're going to try it out. It's just basically a takeaway one. And there's my coffee ready for me.
You take any milk?
No milk, thank you. Yeah, just black. Okay, I'm gonna hopefully grab a seat somewhere and I'll give a review of the coffee. Okay, not the most picturesque of places to sit, but anyhow, nonetheless, here's a coffee review. Okay, as I said, I've been doing lots of Vida reviews recently. This could almost be a Vida coffee channel review. The coffee is nice. It's nice and mild. Potentially on the weak side, but it's okay. I'm going to give that a 6. As soon as this music stopped, then I will give you my breakdown on the race. Chat to you just now. It's a little quieter now. Race review. It was hard going. It was very hot. But all in all, an enjoyable day out. Nice to be sitting having my coffee. I'm waiting for a nice bagel to do here, which will round off a great morning. So yeah, next week a park run. I've got 3 choices in the greater Cape Town area. All of them are quite toughies. So we'll all be, I think, taking it easy, enjoying the Christmas festive spirit. But I'll bring those to you and hopefully you'll enjoy them. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe. Leave us a message.
Okay.
And
Hello.
hello.
I'm Siseko from Eastern Cape at Mthatha.
Okay.
I've been in Cape Town since 2005. I finished high school, but I've never went to tertiary. I'm the best barista in the city.
Okay, cool. Thank you for the bagels.
Thanks,
As I was saying, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We're nearly on the 600 mark, guys, and
know it's still a far cry from the 1,000, but every little bit helps. So get everybody you know to subscribe. And yeah, this video will probably come out after Christmas, but I hope you guys who celebrate have had a fantastic Christmas. Hope you haven't eaten too much and managed to get some training in. I'll chat to you shortly. Cheers for now.